Sad King, thank you. Yan guys, you can join me guys. This is a simple exercise guys, simple exercise. Like this. Yan If you can't move too fast, you can move your hand and legs, okay? Guys. Yan, you can move your legs slowly, like this. Come on. This one. Sway your hips like this. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh my God. This one. Yeah, move your fingers guys like this. Come on. And sway. Sway. Oh my God, Sir Stephen. Thank you. Thank you, Sir Stephen. I love you. I'm sorry. Thank you, Sir Stephen. Come on. Oh, move your hand. Move your arm, guys. Come on, move your arms. Move your arms. Sir Stephen, come on. Like this. Yes, Sir Stephen, I understand. Come on. Yan. Wave your arm. Come on. Come on, guys. Yeah, this is enough for our arm, guys. For our arm. Come on. Mommy, thank you, Mommy. Come on. Move your arm like this, guys. Okay. Sad King. Yan. Wave your arm upward. Come on. Good exercise, guys. Come on. Yan. If you can't move faster, you can move slowly, guys. Come on, Yeti. Come on. Come on. Woo! But if you can, yan. But if you can move your waist like this, do it. Come on. Yeah. Woo!